with amazing marble work field. Where in China, future market, we can just find everything in one. Yes, very nice. So that's why China
So,
is good at this, being so supportive. I mean, thanks for everything you've done. Appreciate it.
hello everybody. Today we got our customer from UK, which is Gaba. Gaba, really nice to meet you.
Thank you. Very nice to meet you as well.
So, how do you know us, George Group?
I saw your video on Instagram with amazing marble work you've done. Then I messaged you, approached you, and then that's where it took off from there.
Oh, so our Instagram is working something really well to have the business from
Yes.
you, from your side. And have you tried our George Turkish restaurant and the coffee in our coffee shop?
Yes. I mean, we went together. It was nice food,
Yeah.
Turkish food.
And
So
the
it was very
drinks.
nice kebabs we had and drinks. Yes, very nice.
What do you think the difference is between China local markets and the markets in UK?
The markets in UK is like is you have to travel different areas to find different products. Where in China, future market, we can just find everything in one place. We don't have to travel miles and miles away. Everything we can get from here.
For Chinese market, what do you think is better than other countries?
I mean, the customer service is much better than other country, and the product they can provide you and they can make it for you as how you want it as a tailor made, and other countries cannot make it. So that's why China
Serv-
is good at this.
the service is always very important.
Yes,
Since the beginning to the end, it's always important things
yes,
for us. And I think this is mm, really satisfied for customer who come over here from like somewhere far away from other countries to China. They have to like they want to be treated nicely.
yeah.
That's what we are trying to provide every customers. And as a buyer, what do you think the building materials in China um, is it have more options than other places or
Yes,
the
I mean,
quality?
yes, it's made to your how you want your uh, material to be. They can make it. Where we have more choice here in China than other countries. Other country is we have this and that's it. It's not we can't do that. We only have this and that's it. Where in China, oh, we can make it for you. We have our own factories. We can do this. They never say no. There's always yes, yes. We can do it.
Can you give me and give us some advice or suggestions?
I mean, there's no suggestions because everything I've got is I never have any complaints. So I mean, I can't think of any suggestions that I can give. I got everything what I needed from you.
Seems
So
seems like you have satisfied during this trip. You had a good trip.
yes, I had amazing trip. I mean, amazing food. Uh, all the food was nice. Chinese food. You know, we had the street food, so
Yes,
that's
yes.
that was nice. So
Street food is something you can feel in of the local place, of the culture.
yes,
That's a really good
I
comment.
always preferred the street food than going into a posh restaurant in
Uh,
China because I think it tastes much better than five-star restaurants or any other restaurants. You know, I think street food is the best for me.
so if there's any customer would like to feel the local culture, going to eat street foods is also a good option with us.
Yes.
So I think that's all the interview for today. Very very warmly welcome you
Thank
for your comings.
Oh,
Thanks for the
thank you for
time.
being so supportive, and you showed us, and you've been with us all the during the trip. I mean, thanks for everything you've done.
We should
Appreciate it.
hold it down.
Okay, thank you.